The BIM Minute. Not so long ago, building a world of harmony came with quite a few twists. Lengthy parts, accuracy, interpretations, misunderstandings, and sometimes surprises. But times have changed. There's no ding with the BIM. The Building Information Modeling helps each stakeholder, client, architect, expert, and end user of a project to share the same vision from the design to the usage of a building. BIM with 3 M's for model, modeling, and management. Model, thanks to a 3-dimensional digital mock-up displaying details on every single component's feature. Managing, thanks to a structured layout that follows every step of the project's life cycle. Modifying and improving the project together with all its stakeholders thanks to this brand new joint multi-display process. With BIM, construction enlivens the ways of designing, constructing and operating efficient buildings and infrastructures, fulfilling the customers' and end users' expectations. My client wants BIM. Nowadays, more and more clients ask for BIM. It's better, it's smarter, it's the ultimate in construction. You said BIM? Okay, but nobody said it was going to be easy. It calls for a little workout and practice. But above all, the need for good advice to successfully carry on together. Building information modeling is an absolute experience that allows a project to grow in a collaborative way. Wow! Yeah, it always comes as a surprise on the first try. BIM is not just a 3D model. It allows everyone to share the same vision of the project. To foresee the needs. Think ahead uses. With great flexibility. BIM allows for optimization by simulating different designs or testing different kinds of materials. It also helps us exchange views and communicate with stakeholders. And last but not least, BIM isn't confined to the construction phase. It's a great opportunity for the client to anticipate its asset management requirements. Welcome to a new era of BIM customer relationship. The BIM Harmony. We've built trust with our clients by always serving their projects with the latest technologies. Today's new thing is the BIM Revolution, a collaborative process applying to any kind of project, from more standardized ones to the most complex and unique ones. Who said magic? Well, before implementation, you need to properly identify the needs of every trade involved and select the project's use cases that are key to the project. The BIM manager guides the process for the team. Each project has a unique context and set of requirements. Construction method and planning. Construction site. The customer's wishes. Regulations. The BIM manager harmonizes all requirements in order to integrate them in the BIM execution plan, the project's guideline. For example, to satisfy the client's requirements on deadlines, the BIM manager identifies 4D as a crucial use case for the project and describes in the BIM execution plan each party's role and the data each one has to deliver in order to implement the timeline of the project within the BIM model. The BIM Bang. Take the project and its million components as a whole. The BIM is its virtual tri-dimensional replica, enhanced with information. It puts together as digital objects all elements and its properties identified as necessary in the BIM execution plan. The BIM gives access to a great deal of data, such as drawings, technical sheets, manufacturers, suppliers, number of similar objects, or exact position in the structure. Even better, with the BIM, each modification updates the whole model instantly and consistently. Drawings, sections, or specific views are updated and edited instantaneously, and every trade can display what it needs through different views. Specific technical views, as the door width required for wheelchair access, wall thickness at door frames, cable routing around the frame, the number of doors to order, or even the implementation schedule. With the BIM, all information is accessible anywhere in a matter of seconds. No need to recapture or report the tiniest change again and again. Each plan becomes a view, and every view is in the BIM. The BIM team. Welcome to collaborative engineering, where the work of each one is intimately connected to others. With the BIM, work is no longer sequenced and desynchronized between the project players. For example, to determine the number and size of box outs, you need to know in advance the dimensions of the pipes and networks. To calibrate such networks, you need to know the client's requirements in terms of air conditioning and the occupancy rate of the building, and obtain anticipated data on the equipment itself. In other words, all compulsory information for the design of the building. Trades which didn't used to work together early enough now coordinate in early stages of the project in order to integrate their work with more consistency. Each one commits to provide data to the model in order to help the progression of the other. The data will refine accordingly, all along the iterative process. Talking, adapting, and accepting compromise. BIM is human. It isn't a solitary race to the summit, but a roped party progressing together to a sustainable achievement. The BIM for all together for the BIM.